Have you ever looked at a couple and thought, how do they just work? They fight, but never fall apart. They disagree, but never disconnect. What's their secret? Because here's the truth, it's never luck. It's never just love. It's something much deeper. Today, I'll take you behind the closed doors of every successful relationship and reveal the four habits that silently hold them together while others fall apart. But beware, habit number 3 breaks almost every couple who ignore it. Habit number 1, they disagree safely. Most couples think fights destroy relationships, but here's a secret. Successful couples fight too. The difference? They fight in a safe space. They never say, "You always do this." They say, "This made me feel this way." Subtle change, big impact. Because in successful love, it's never me versus you. It's always us versus the problem. There's a ritual one couple does before every argument that instantly melts the tension. You'll hear it in habit number 4. Habit number 2, they choose each other daily. Love doesn't die, it fades when we stop choosing it. Even in the happiest marriages, there are days you won't feel in love. But successful couples, they wake up and still choose each other through mood swings, bills, silence, and mess. The happiest relationships aren't built on perfect days. They're built on imperfect moments handled gently. But what happens when one stops choosing? When only one keeps trying? Habit number 3 answers that. Habit number 3, they respect the alone space. Here's the truth most people don't like. Love isn't about constant togetherness. It's about giving space without fear. Successful couples give each other time to breathe, to think, to just be. Because the strongest connection isn't two people glued together. It's two whole people holding hands. And yet, the fear of emotional distance ruins most bonds. But habit number 4 teaches how to reconnect even when life pulls you apart. Habit number 4, they reconnect before it's too late. It's not the silence that ends love. It's the silence that stays too long. Successful couples have one unbreakable rule. When we feel distant, we don't wait, we return. Maybe through a shared meal, a walk, a soft, "I miss you," in the middle of a storm. But they return. Because in the end, relationships don't die from one big blow. They die from tiny, ignored gaps. The ones you can fix, if you move now. So, if you've been drifting apart, if silence is growing,